GEP, the Slow English Podcast.
Your journeys start now. Do you feel nervous at the store? Do you want to buy things in English?
Imagine you are at a shop. You see a nice shirt. But what do you say?
Do you know how to ask for the price? Do you know how to pay?
Today, we learn all of this. Shopping in English is easy.
It is okay. We understand. Shopping in a new language can feel scary.
Yes, it is scary at first, but you are safe here with us.
Hello, friends. I am Anna. I am here with Jack. We learn English together.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
Do not worry about mistakes. This is a safe space. In this episode, you will learn simple words for shopping. You will learn how to ask for prices.
Yes, you will learn how to choose things. You will learn how to pay.
By the end, you will be ready to go to any English shop. You will feel confident.
Today is special. We are not just studying words, we are learning real words for real life.
After this episode, you can go to a store and say, "How much is this?" So take a deep breath. Close your eyes for 1 second. Imagine you are sitting with us.
There is no rush. We speak very slowly today.
We speak slowly so you can follow every word. You can understand everything.
Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are good. Mistakes help us learn.
You are doing great just by listening. You are already learning.
We have a special tip for you today. It is very easy and very useful.
Are you ready? Let us start our shopping lesson together.
Listen carefully. We have secret words that change everything.
Let us go. Welcome to your shopping English lesson. Now we start our shopping lesson. First, let us learn how to ask for prices.
Yes, asking for prices is very important. Let us learn simple sentences.
Say this with me. How much is this?
How much is this? This means, what is the price?
Good job. Now say it again. How much is this?
Great! You can also say, how much does this cost?
What is the difference? Let me explain.
How much is this and how much does this cost mean the same thing?
Both are correct. You can use either one. It is your choice.
Let us practice one more time. Listen. How much is this shirt?
Yes, you can add the product name. How much is this shirt? How much is this hat?
That is easy, right? You just change the name of the product.
Now we know how to ask for prices. This is our first shopping skill.
Excellent! You learned something new today. Well done!
Now we learn how to choose products. This is our second shopping skill.
Yes! Choosing products is fun. Let us learn simple words.
Say this. I want this one.
I want this one. This means you like something.
Good. You can also say, I will take this.
I want this one and I will take this mean the same thing.
Both are correct. Use the one you like better.
Let us try another one. Listen. Do you have another one?
What does this mean? It means you want a different option.
Yes, you can ask, "Do you have another one?" if you want to see more.
This is great. Now you can choose products in English.
Look at you go. You are learning so fast.
Say it with me. I want this one.
Perfect. You can say, "I want this blue one."
Do you see? We add the color. This blue one. This red one.
That is smart. Adding the color makes your English clearer.
You are doing wonderfully. Keep going. Now we learn how to ask for size and color. This is very useful.
Yes, almost every store has sizes and colors. You need to know these words.
Say this with me. Do you have this in a different size?
Do you have this in a different size? This means the shirt is too big or too small.
Good. You can say, do you have a smaller size? Or do you have a bigger size?
Smaller means more little. Bigger means more large.
Now let us learn about colors. Say this. Do you have this in blue?
Yes, just add the color name. In blue, in red, in green.
Do you see the pattern? In plus the color name. It is simple.
Here is a secret. You can combine both. Do you have this in blue and a bigger size?
Wow, that is a long sentence, but it is easy, right?
Take your time. One step at a time. You will get it.
Practice this at home. Say it slowly. Say it many times.
You are doing great. This is not hard. You can do it.
Now we learn how to pay at the cashier. This is our last shopping skill.
Paying is easy. Let us learn the simple words.
Say this. How much is it total?
How much is it total? Total means all the money together.
Good. Now say this. I will pay with cash, or I will pay by card.
Cash means paper money and coins. Card means credit card or debit card.
You can also say, here you go, when you give money.
Yes, and the cashier will say, "Here is your change, thank you."
Change means the extra money you get back.
Let us practice the whole conversation. Listen.
Customer says, how much is it total? Cashier says, it is $20.
Customer says, "Here you go." Cashier says, "Here is your change, thank you."
See? That was easy. You can do this in a real store.
Now you know everything. You can shop in English.
Great job today, friends. You learned so many useful words.
I am so proud of you. Keep practicing.
Now we learn key words. This is our vocabulary time.
Let us learn together. Say each word with us.
First word, price. Price means how much money something costs.
Example, what is the price of this shirt? The price is $10.
Say it with me. Price. Price. Good job!
Use it in a sentence. I like the price. The price is good.
Price, price, price. You got it. Next word, how much. How much means how many dollars or coins.
Example, how much is this? How much does this cost?
Say it with me. How much? How much? Great!
Use it. How much is the apple? How much is the bread?
How much, you are learning fast. Next word, cash. Cash means paper money and coins.
Example, I pay with cash. Do you have cash?
Say it with me. Cash, cash. Excellent.
Use it. I have cash. I like to pay with cash.
Cash, cash. Simple and easy. Next word, card. Card means credit card or debit card.
Example, I pay by card. Can I use my card?
Say it with me. Card, card. Well done.
Use it. Is card payment okay? I want to pay by card.
Card, card. Very useful word. Next word, size. Size means how big or small something is.
Example, what size do you want? Small, medium, or large?
Say it with me. Size, size. Good.
Use it. This size is too big. I need a smaller size.
Size, size. Now you know sizes. Next word, color. Color means red, blue, green, and other colors.
Example, what color do you like? I like the blue color.
Say it with me. Color, color. Perfect.
Use it. Do you have this in another color? I want a red color.
Color, color. Beautiful word. Next word, total. Total means all the money together.
Example, how much is the total? The total is $50.
Say it with me. Total, total. Excellent.
Use it. What is the total price? Is this the total?
Total, total. Easy and important. Next word, change. Change means money you get back.
Example, here is your change. I have some change in my pocket.
Say it with me. Change, change. Great.
Use it. Do you have change? Here is your change back.
Change, change. You got it. Next word, cheap. Cheap means the price is low, not expensive.
Example, this is cheap. $5 is cheap for a shirt.
Say it with me. Cheap, cheap. Wonderful.
Use it. Is this cheap or expensive? This apple is very cheap.
Cheap, cheap. Smart shopping word. Last word, expensive. Expensive means the price is high, not cheap.
Example, this bag is expensive. $100 is expensive.
Say it with me. Expensive, expensive. Perfect.
Use it. Is this expensive? I think this is too expensive.
Expensive, expensive. Now you know cheap and expensive.
Wow, you learned 10 new words. That is amazing.
I am so proud of you. Keep up the great work. Now it is time for reflection questions. Think about your answers.
Do not rush. Take your time. This is for you to practice.
There are no wrong answers. Just think and answer in your head.
Let's start. Question 1.
Question 1. Do you like to shop? Yes or no?
Think about it. Do you enjoy shopping? Just say yes or no in your head.
Question 2. Do you like to buy clothes? Yes or no?
Think about it. Do you enjoy buying shirts, pants, or shoes?
Question 3. Do you like to buy food? Yes or no?
Think about it. Do you enjoy buying fruits, bread, or snacks?
Question 4. What color do you like? Red, blue, or green?
Think about it. Choose one of these colors in your head.
Question 5. Do you like cheap things? Yes or no?
Think about it. Who does not like a good price?
Question 6. Do you pay with cash or card?
Think about it. Which one do you usually use?
Question 7. Do you want to go shopping in English? Yes or no?
Think about it. Are you excited to try this?
Question 8. What is the English word for price?
Think about it. How do we say the cost of something in English?
Question 9. How do we ask for the price?
Think about it. What sentence do we use?
Question 10. How do we ask for a smaller size?
Think about it. What do we say?
Question 11. How do we ask for another color?
Think about it. What is the sentence?
Question 12. What is change?
Think about it. What does change mean?
Question 13. Do you think shopping in English is easy? Yes or no?
Think about it. Are you feeling more confident now?
Question 14. What is your favorite thing to buy?
Think about it. Food, clothes, books, or something else?
Question 15. Will you practice English shopping words today? Yes or no?
Think about it. Will you try these words soon?
Great job thinking about all these questions.
You are doing such a wonderful job. Keep it up.
Great job today, English learners. You did it.
Yes, you learned so much today. I am so proud of you.
You learned how to ask for prices. You learned how to choose products.
You learned how to ask for size and color. You learned how to pay.
These are real, useful skills. You can use them in any English store.
Practice makes perfect. Say these words at home. Say them in the mirror.
Say, how much is this? Say, I want this one. Say, do you have this in blue?
The more you practice, the easier it gets. I promise.
Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Be kind to yourself.
You are on a great learning journey. Every step forward is important.
Remember, we believe in you. You can do this.
Thank you for learning with us today. We love having you here.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention.
You are always welcome here. This is your cozy English space.
Come back next time. We have more lessons for you.
See you next time, friends. Keep practicing.
Bye-bye. Take care. You are amazing.
Bye. See you soon. Keep going. You are doing great.
Your learning journey doesn't stop here. Keep improving your English. Click the next video or explore more episodes we've picked just for you. See you in the next lesson.